Hi, let me guide you through camera settings on your POCO X7. And as a first step, let's open Camera app. And firstly, if you bought a used phone, then you can easily reset camera settings back to their defaults. For that, tap the arrow tab and choose Settings icon. Then scroll down and choose to restore default settings. Confirm, and that's it. Now you can adjust camera settings as you want to. So, firstly, let's just stay in this photo mode. Tap the arrow again, and here we can enable grid lines. So you can also choose to center mark, so to add center mark and enable those grid lines. And now, object you want to take photo of will always be in a center with the help of those lines and this plus in the middle. To take a photo, just press the camera shutter button. Now let's check the result. And in my opinion, it is just perfect. Really sharp and detailed, and most importantly, in the center. So let's move on to the next setting. And this would be watermark. So you can create your custom watermark. For that, tap regular, choose custom, and here you can enter anything you want to, even emoji. Then tap check mark. And now when you'll take a photo, it would be saved with your custom watermark, which will look like that. So as you can see, I added this pink heart, and also you can go back in this setting and disable to add timestamp on photos, and at least one option needs to be selected, so we can just enable this device watermark, or you can disable device watermark and leave only this first option. Let's close those settings, and next thing we can do is tap this selfie icon and we can beautify picture. Also, if you switch to your selfie camera, you can tap this icon also, and here you would see several modes. So you can see here this smooth mode. You can adjust tone for your selfie just by dragging this slider. You can also add some contour, add makeup, slender. You can also adjust head size. You can make your eyes bigger, nose smaller, chin smaller, lips bigger, and also add hairline. So if you wanna restore everything to their defaults, just tap reset, or also disable filters by tapping original. And if you want to, you can also enable HDR here or disable like that. But with HDR you get like more contrast. Of course, we can press and hold this zoom tab, and we can just swipe left to zoom in or swipe right to zoom out. This is really smooth and perfect. And let's just tap the screen, and here we can add some filters. So you can check many filters from the list and always choose original if you want to take photos with original filter. Now let's switch to video mode, and here we can also tap on this arrow on top, and we can change resolution to 4K for best videos, for best smoothest videos. So just take a look how everything just became so detailed and so smooth. And also camera is not shaky, so I suggest you to enable this setting. And if you swipe right till the end, you would see here Pro mode. So you can adjust some settings as white balance. Here you can also set focus manually, adjust shutter speed, drag ISO right or left, and here change exposure as well. And if you like this setting, you can tap here and save it as current preset. So you can also name it and then tap OK and save this preset. And of course, you can do the same for camera. So adjust those settings as you want to and enjoy best pro mode camera settings. Also, we can go in the More tab. Here we can find time-lapse videos, slow motion videos. We can switch to 50 MP camera. This is for best resolution photos. And also in photo mode we can see macro, so we can take macro photos and we need to hold our camera pointed at the object about 3 to 5 centimeters away. And you'll see this icon on the top once this mode is enabled. So let's tap again to disable. And yep, that's basically it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.